Karenasari. You can call me Hesti. What is your name?
My name is Mumatona. You can call me Isma.
Where are you from?
I am from Babat. Where do you live?
I live in Babat.
Where do you going?
I'm going to school.
What is your dream?
My dream is businesswoman. By the way, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading novel. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is meatball. How about you?
My favorite food, chicken and noodles. See you again.
Yes, take care.